Okay, this is stock number 5-104J, a 1985 BMW 524TD turbo diesel. Had it running for a little while. Didn't even really smoke when it fired up. No warning lights or anything. Seems like it runs absolutely excellent considering what it is. This motor is a replacement engine. I'm not sure if it's a used replacement or if it was a reman long block or something, but the motor itself has less than 10,000 miles on it. And I mean, it runs great. Runs absolutely stellar. No complaints at all on this one. All right. There we go. Looks like we're a little low on antifreeze, so I'm going to shut it off right now, but and it doesn't look like we're charging. But the car itself has 183/450. But like I said before, the motor supposedly only has a little under 10,000 miles on it. And then the guy just lost his license and gave us the car because he didn't need it anymore. So that's supposedly the story with it. But it looks pretty good to me.